What's up, friends? Always freaking amazing to see you. If you are not one of my friends, I hope that you subscribe and become one of them. Now let's go ahead and jump on in what this video is going to be about. It's going to be my September ice cream box. And the first item is what this box is known for. They put a palette in every single box. So here it is. It's by the Beauty Crop this month. And here we go. Stunning packaging. And here are these beautiful fall shades. So glad for fall. I want it so badly because I'm tired of the heat. I want nice, cool, crisp air because there's nothing better than that. I'm a cold weather girl. I don't know about you, but that's what I like. I like snuggling in my blanket. I just love it. Now, the shades, I really liked them, except one. The one I did not like is Pandora over here. It is an extremely chunky glitter. I don't like it. It is in the outer corner of my eye because I wanted you to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you it so you can see it is gorgeous. It is just chunky as hell. I'm gonna wipe this off and I'm gonna do a few swatches of what's on my eye. I did put a lot of shades on here because I wanted to try them out and I was really impressed. So this over here is going to be Genesis. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do Ariel, Twilight, Leo, and for the pinky, I'm going to do Aurora. And that is just some of the stuff on my eyes right now. And the thing I liked about it, like I said, it blended out amazing. There was no fallout and there was no kick up on this, which was nice to see. There's not many palettes that have no fallout and no kick up. I don't mind it, but it's definitely a plus when you get a palette that does not have it. And this one is $15 and it's called the Dawn Gazing palette. Now you get two palettes this month, which is freaking amazing. It's going to be a blush and highlighter. And it's by the Beauty Crop too. It's by it says Cocoa Rosé. And I'm going to go ahead with the shades. I'm going to read it upside down, so hopefully I don't F it up. So the two blush shades that I mix together because I like to customize. I don't like something too pinky or too peachy. So I use the Tiki Rose over here, which is a pink color, of course, with rose, and Paradise, which is a peach shade. I mixed it together. That's what you see right over here. And this pretty highlight is over here. And this is Peach Beach, which is so cute. And then this shade over here is a blush. It's called Passion Fruit. I absolutely love the quality of this. Everything blended out amazing. I got a lot of color payout from the blush, but it wasn't overpowering because I don't like when I add a blush and then I have to constantly blend it where I don't look like a clown. And this one is $15 as well. Now I'm going to go into a product I did not like. I had to redo my makeup because this screwed it up. It became all muddy. I did not like it. And this is by a brand I like a lot of things by. It's called Garlactic. And this is called the Smudge Eraser Stick. And if it was pointier, maybe it would have been better. I don't know. It's just, I think the consistency of it just effed it up. So I hate when I have to redo my makeup because I have to take a makeup wipe it away, and my eyes sting like hell, and re-blending everything because you know you have to really blend it out. My eyes hurt right now. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on my hand. Maybe it will work better. So I have my black eyeliner right over here. It says you can do it for mascara. That's just stupid. I let it dry. I wipe it away. It's easy. So there it is. I put it on, and as you can see, it does not come off. You have to really rub it, and when you have eyeshadow and everything else on it, it just becomes a muddy mess, which I don't like. Now I want to try the lipstick. I have not tried this. I have a red lip on here because it may be helpful when you mess up your red lip to put this on. Maybe that's something you can use. And look how nasty it gets. I don't like that. So let me wipe this away. Okay, maybe this will work. I don't know. But on my hand, it seemed to wipe away. And maybe you can fix your lip doing that one, and then you can correct it using concealer. I don't think I'm going to be using it. I may keep it on hand. I'm just really irritated right now because I did have to redo my whole makeup because it just became a muddy mess. But this is not the only reason why I had to redo it. It's the next product, but let me go ahead and tell you the price of this. So the Garlactic Smudge Eraser Stick is $17. Not worth it for me, but who knows, maybe one of you will like it. These are a 2-pack you get. It's Peel Cosmetics, and they're gel eyeliners or lip liners. I use this brown shade for my eyeliner, my lower lash line, and it began to bleed and became awful looking. And then when I used the Garlactic one, I just called it quits. I decided to just start anew. So it's a very pretty color. It's just for my eyes. I do have allergy eyes, and of course it's below the black. I hope that you can see the difference between the black and the brown. But it just ran. I smudged it out. I saved it, of course. Going out in the hot weather with me sweating, I'm sure it would just travel down farther and really screw it up. So I'm never going to put this on my eye again. With the lip liner, that worked a lot better. So I don't know if I will use this if I have something that's not my color and I want to deepen it up a little bit and put a little bit of brown, smudge it out, and then put a color on top of it. That's the use I may get out of it. This is a pink color, and that's what I'm wearing right now. And I like it as a lip liner. Like I said, this is not going to get any use from me on my eyes. It's going to stick strictly on these lips. And both of these are expensive as hell too. I am shocked at the price of this. Both of these are $42. I don't think that is worth it, but who knows. Now, I don't know if everybody agrees with my opinion. I know that some people get irritated because I sit there and voice my opinion on a product they like. This is my opinion. This is what I think. If you don't agree with it, that's fine too. Now, the last item of the box is a mask. So this is by My Skinny Mask, and it's from Australia. It's a turmeric, vitamin C, and clay mask. It's supposed to be super hydrating, which is really good for me. I have dry skin, and brightening. I love those two words. That's my love language. And we did receive something from this company before. It was a glow serum, and I believe it was last box. And I absolutely love that serum. So here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the color. I did use it. It looks like a mustard color, so it looks like turmeric. And this was, when it went on my face, it really tightened up my skin. When I washed it off, my skin was not irritated, which I liked. The brightening, I just used it one time, so I don't know if with continued use I'll see that, but it did not overly dry out my skin. I only left it on for 5 minutes because it felt really dry on my skin and I was scared of over drying it. So I only left it on for my dry skin 5 minutes. The thing I did not use is so stinking cute. It comes with a little brush. I just used my hands. I put a little bit on, rubbed it in, but look at this freaking cute brush. This is adorable. I love tiny things. Now that is everything in my box. Now I'm going to show you the card because it says all the items and the price as I drop the card. Every freaking video, I swear. This is all the prices. My total box value was $129. Do I think this box was worth it? Yes, and this is why. I really like this with fall being around. I like this eyeshadow palette. I was impressed with everything except the one shade, and I really like the blush and the highlighter palette. I think it was absolutely gorgeous. And then the other thing I liked the mask. I can use a really good mask for only 5 minutes and get glowy skin, if this works, and hydrated skin, I'm for it. And I'm sure it would work really good for your breakouts as well, because that's what clay does. And on here it says a lot of good things on here. It has turmeric, hemp seed oil, Catadoo plum, I've never heard of that. Green tea, I think that's amazing. So I'm stoked about that. So I personally think this was worth it. Yes, I have a few bum items. I can use this as a lip liner. In no world would I spend $42 for these lip liners, but while I have them, I will definitely use them on these lips. They are not going to even attempt to look at my eyes because I don't want to have a big muddy mess. And of course, I'm probably just going to put this straight into my empties because I don't like it. And I don't want to redo my makeup. Who wants to put all that effort into blending, making your eyes look perfect, and then screwing it up? If I screw up my eyeliner, all I do is take a little bit of my makeup wipe it away. It's easy peasy. It's done. It's fixed. Mascara that it's claiming, I don't know if nobody knows this, but as soon as it's dry, you take a Q-tip, you wipe it away. It just dusts off. You don't need to go and do this. So that is my thoughts and opinions. If you stuck around to the end of the video, you know you guys are freaking amazing in my book. I love you to pieces. And let's go ahead and do fur baby time and end it. Come here, Shuggy. Here we go. The real star of this channel is Miss Sugar Bear. She loves giving you guys kisses and hugs sending your way. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.